Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact and pick this camera icon, which is right in the middle, which should be at least. And as you can see here, we've got two different options, so we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera up. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. As you can see here, we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so we can use our gallery or Google Photos. I will pick the gallery. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and here just pick the photo you'd like to use. And as you can see right now, we can change the position and the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. We cannot unfortunately zoom in or out the photo, so we can just operate with this square. So if you will position it like you want to, remember to tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, it will immediately appear in this place, so remember to tap on save. It is very important. And here we've got our contact saved, and you will be able to see this photo after getting back to the contact list and, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.